Hello friends! Do you want to drive more traffic to your YouTube channel from your website without spending a single dollar or touching a single line of code? Today I will show you how to do it with the free Callbell button tool. And the best part, you can combine it with WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger and more. Let's go step by step. Okay, first I want you to know what Callbell is. Callbell is a platform that allows you to centralize customer service from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram all in one place. It is ideal for companies that want to provide support or sell through messaging in an organized way and quickly. But it also offers free tools like these: floating buttons for your website, a great way to drive direct traffic from your page to your digital channels like YouTube. The floating YouTube button is that small icon that appears on your website, which when clicked takes the visitor directly to your channel or a video specific. It helps to increase visits, gain subscribers, and strengthen your digital presence while people browse your page. Additionally, you can add other buttons, as many as you want, like WhatsApp, Instagram, or even email for your website. Okay, now let's learn how to create a button. The first thing we need to do is choose our button. In this case, we select YouTube and enter our channel. We enter the link to our channel. Then we choose a shape for the icon and an animation, if you want it to have animation. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one. Then we add a welcome message, whichever one you find best for you, and the appearance we want. We choose the color style of our button and the size. Lastly, we choose if we want it to have a shadow and the position of the button, whether we want it at the bottom, top, left, or right. We click Save and copy the code to paste it on our website. Now, I want you to know why it would be good for you to use Callbell and the button tool. First, because it's an all-in-one solution to connect with your customers and followers from any channel. Second, the buttons are fast, lightweight, customizable, and compatible with any website. And third, if you already use Callbell for your support or sales team, this is a plus that will further enhance your digital presence. You already know how to put your YouTube button on your website with Callbell. Now it's your turn. Try the tool for free. Give visibility to your content and convert visitors into followers. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and remember that below in the description you can find all the information.